Night-blooming cereus plants, scientifically classified under the genus Epiphyllum and related genera in the cactus family, Cactaceae, are renowned for their spectacular nocturnal blooms. These plants are native to regions of Central and South America, where they typically grow as epiphytes on trees or as lithophytes on rocks in tropical and subtropical forests. The name cereus is derived from Latin, meaning wax candle, a fitting description for the radiant, candle-like flowers that appear unexpectedly in the darkness of night. Morphology and growth habit. Night-blooming cereus plants exhibit distinctive growth characteristics that set them apart from typical desert cacti. They often have flattened, leaf-like stems, known as phylloclades, rather than the spiny cylindrical stems of desert cacti. These stems can be segmented or notched, with a somewhat elongated appearance. The stems are adapted for water storage, a crucial adaptation in their natural epiphytic or lithophytic habitats where moisture availability can vary. In terms of size, night-blooming cereus species can vary widely. Some species have relatively small, creeping stems, while others can produce sprawling stems that reach several meters in length. The growth habit also allows them to spread horizontally across their host trees or rocky surfaces, maximizing exposure to light and air. Blooms and flowering behavior. The most captivating feature of night-blooming cereus plants is undoubtedly their flowers. These blooms are typically large, fragrant, and visually striking, often measuring several inches in diameter. What makes them particularly fascinating is their ephemeral nature. They bloom for only one night, usually starting to open after dusk and closing by dawn the following morning. This brief flowering period adds to their allure and has contributed to their reputation as mysterious and magical plants. The flowers themselves exhibit a range of colors, including shades of white, cream, yellow, and occasionally pink or red. Many species produce intricate floral structures with numerous petals, giving them a delicate and intricate appearance. The fragrance of these flowers is often sweet and intense, designed to attract nocturnal pollinators such as moths and bats. Cultural and symbolic significance. Beyond their botanical fascination, night-blooming cereus plants hold cultural and symbolic significance in various societies. In some regions of Central and South America, these plants are considered symbols of beauty and mystery. They feature prominently in folklore and traditional medicine practices, where they are sometimes believed to possess medicinal properties or spiritual significance. In the United States, particularly in regions with subtropical climates like Florida and parts of the Southwest, night-blooming cereus plants have become popular ornamentals. They are often cultivated in gardens or as house plants, where their unique flowering behavior can be observed and appreciated by enthusiasts. Species and varieties. There are several species and hybrids of night-blooming cereus plants, each with its own unique characteristics. Some popular varieties include Cereus grandiflorus, known for its large, white flowers that bloom only at night. Epiphyllum oxypetalum, also called the queen of the night, it produces fragrant, white flowers that bloom profusely in summer. Hylocereus undatus, known for its edible fruit, dragon fruit, and large, fragrant flowers that open at night. Cultivation and care. Cultivating night-blooming cereus plants can be a rewarding experience for gardeners interested in unique and exotic flora. While they are adapted to tropical and subtropical environments, they can also thrive indoors under the right conditions. Here are some general care guidelines for cultivating these plants. Light. Provide bright, indirect light for most of the day. Avoid direct sunlight, especially during the hottest hours. Temperature. Night-blooming cereus plants prefer warm temperatures and are sensitive to cold. Protect them from temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius. Watering. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. During active growth, spring and summer, water more frequently, but reduce watering in fall and winter when growth slows. Fertilization. Feed with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Potting. use a well-draining potting mix designed for cacti and succulents. Repot every 2 to 3 years or as needed to refresh the soil and provide more space for growth. Propagation: night-blooming cereus plants can be propagated from stem cuttings. Allow the cuttings to callus for a few days before planting them in a well-draining soil mix. Conclusion: in conclusion, night-blooming cereus plants are botanical marvels that combine unique growth habits with spectacular nocturnal blooms. Their adaptation to diverse habitats and their ephemeral flowering behavior have captivated plant enthusiasts and cultural observers alike. Whether enjoyed in their natural habitats in tropical forests or cultivated as ornamentals in gardens and homes, these plants continue to inspire wonder and admiration wherever they are found. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.